problem solving with a table? A table is a great problem solving tool. We're going to use a table with algebra to solve these questions. Sarah's father currently is 3 times as old as Sarah. In 13 years' time, Sarah's father will be twice as old as Sarah. How old is Sarah now? The first step to making our equation is to figure out what variable we'll give a letter for. The question is how old is Sarah right now, so let's let the answer to that be x. In other words, let Sarah's current age be x. We'll make a table to store all of this information. For Sarah's age right now, her age in 13 years' time, and the same for her father. Sarah's age right now, we've already got a variable for that. We called it x. Her father's age right now, we've got 2 statements here. The first one says her father is now 3 times as old as Sarah. So if Sarah is x years old, her father is 3 times x years old. In 13 years' time, they'll both be 13 years older, right? Sarah is currently x years old, but in 13 years' time, her age will be 13 years bigger. We'll need to add 13. So in 13 years' time, her age is x plus 13. For example, even though this is not the answer, if Sarah's age is 1 year old now, in 13 years' time, she'll be 1 plus 13, 14 years old. And it's the same for her father, right? Her father right now is 3x years old. In 13 years' time, he'll be 3x plus 13 years old. Because 13 years have gone by, so he's 13 years older. We can start making an equation now using this second statement. In 13 years' time, Sarah's father, 3x plus 13, will be twice as old as Sarah, x plus 13. In other words, Sarah's father's age, which is this, is equal to twice Sarah's age, 2 times Sarah's age. There is a bit of a mistake in how I've written this, because this just looks like I've multiplied the x by 2. But really, it's all of Sarah's age. Sarah's age is this whole group of x plus 13. So I need to multiply the whole group by x plus 13, and I can use brackets for that. From here, we can expand the brackets. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 13 is 26. The rest I'll speed through. If you're not sure about this, check out my videos in 7a, which show more about solving these equations. But the 2x will move over here to become negative 2x equals 26 will stay where it is. Positive 13 turns into negative 13. Collect like terms. 3 lots of x take 2 lots of x is 1 lot of x equals 26 take 13 is 13. I still haven't really answered the question. It's not clear what the unit is, for example. So let's write a sentence. So Sarah is currently 13 years old. At the bare minimum, you should at least put what the unit is, so that the answer is easier to understand. And we're finished. Let's try it again with another one. This one won't actually use a table, but still we'll solve it with algebra. A baseball ball and bat cost $1.10 together. What a bargain! And the bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? Well, how much does the ball cost? Let's give that a letter. Let's say that the ball costs X dollars. We know that a bat costs $1 more than the ball. So a bat costs a ball plus $1. In other words, because the ball costs X dollars, a bat is X plus 1. Because it's the cost of a ball plus $1. Now we can use this other statement here that the ball and bat cost $1.10 together. When you see together, that probably means that they're being added together. So the bat plus the ball is the same number as $1.10. This statement is the same as this statement. I can replace bat with x plus 1 because we know that the bat is x plus $1. And the ball I can replace with x because a ball is x dollars. Everything else gets copied down. The equal sign, the $10. From here, we can collect like terms. 1 lot of x plus 1 lot of x is 2 lots of x. And then the plus 1 can move to the other side to become minus 1 or subtract 1. Now, $1.10 take $1 is 10 cents. X has been multiplied by 2 here, so the opposite of that is to divide by 2. So the answer is 0.05. In other words, the ball costs 5 cents. There you go. So this is how you can do problem solving with a table and problem solving without a table. But just remember that the answer that you're trying to find, you should give it a letter. So look at the very end to see what the question is asking, and that will give you a hint as to what to call X or some other letter. All right, I hope this helped. See you, everyone.